The Presto Nomad 8-quart traveling slow cooker is ideal for slow cooking foods and taking them on the road. The swing-up handle makes carrying easy, and the locking lid seals tight for spill-proof travel. A removable holder with a silicone cord secures a utensil in transit and doubles as a spoon rest. The generous 8-quart size is enough to feed a crowd. Perfect for buffet-style foods anywhere. Set it to slow cook at high, low, or keep warm. A marker and built-in dry erase board are included. The large see-through glass window is ideal for buffets, and the rugged, wide-profile design helps prevent tip-overs while traveling. It's easy to clean, too. The hinged cover and porcelain pot are removable and fully immersible. The cord is easily stowed away for storage or travel, providing added convenience. Cook and go with the Nomad 8-quart traveling slow cooker from Presto.